Namaste. Today we'll talk about trust, and let us continue on my thesis study of self-managed teams towards achieving manufacturing plant deliverables and autonomy, a special reference to selective Indian industries. Jones and George in 1998 said that the experience of trust is understood by the interaction of people using values, demonstrating attitude and emotions. The trust evolves and changes over time, describing two distinct states or forms of trust. One is conditional and the other is unconditional. The relation between trust and an important component of organizational performance and competitive edge, interpersonal cooperation and teamwork is established. Paul Adler in 1992 said in his NUMMI case study, if management wants workers to trust them, we need to be 50-50 in making the decisions with them. The approach should be, don't just make the decision and then ask, trust me. David Elloy, 2008, said that the confidence of support brings feelings of trust. This helps members to feel that they are receiving a greater degree of responsibility and there is reduced need for the group to be controlled by the external leader. Study also shows that supervisor trust and team goal setting were also positively related to self-goal setting. Self-criticism was influenced by supervisor trust and decision making, and self-reinforcement was positively related to supervisor's trust and feedback. The freedom to take decisions and make the workplace better and efficient is a greater motivator for the team. The autonomy also makes us independent and cannot lean on others, that is supervisors, for support. This brings importance to the additional quality such as problem solving, competencies, lean on team members for support, help each other and further enhance the respect to team members and all. This creates a trust credit. From the table, it is found that the R-square value is 0.306, which infers that the independent variable, decision making, selection criteria, team design, and goal clarity creates 31% of variance over the dependent variable. Cohesion, collective influence of this independent variable over trust is confirmed through ANOVA. It is also found that the F is equal to 46.412 of team composition over trust. In order to identify the individual influences of independent variable, the following coefficient table is extracted from the regression analysis. When correlation of team composition with other dependent variables, self-managed team and self-managed individuals are analyzed, it is found that the trust has a very high T value and in decision making, a key enabler. When we analyze with the moderators, we find that the trust with environment is having a negative or lower impact that is validated with the external environment. Threat has no deterrent to trust during Taj terrorist attack. Similarly, it has lower impact from operation excellence, but has a major impact on situational leadership. Supervisor who turns into coach. SEM analysis also shows that 0.48 of self-managed individual is due to trust and has a very high impact of 0.86 on team characteristics. Hence, trust is a binder for team building. Supervisor's trust and team goal setting were positively related to self-goal setting. Self-criticism was influenced by supervisor trust and decision making. And self-reinforcement was positively related to supervisor trust and feedback. Building trust with team members and engaging in self-leadership behaviors. The trust builds up within the team, helps to reinforce and set belief to victory. Organizations should build resilience, reserve to face uncertainties. This comes from trust and leadership. When every airlines started layoff during the COVID time, Southwest Airlines gave a reward of $10,000 to the best employees. That's how they built trust. My favorite story. The Indian Army has won the 1971 war with East Pakistan, and General Sam Manekshaw wrote a note to Prime Minister Indira Gandhi that his team has done a great job and he wants them to be promoted immediately in the battlefield. The Prime Minister immediately gave the approval and the list was circulated on the next day in the battlefield. One of the soldiers who was expecting a promotion he was not in the list. He was very depressed. During his lunch, he said few angry words that he will kill Sam Manekshaw. Information reached fast and extra security was proposed. Sam said, no, please call the soldier and he will take care of my security from now. In the night when Sam went to bed, he handed over his personal revolver to the soldier and said, someone is going to kill me, please protect me. That's how the trust is built in the individual and in the Indian Army. So trust can be built, and the organization has to make this as a enabler to build self-managed team. Jai Hind.